Oh my god, wait. I have the rarest skins in the game because Rick and Morty got sent to jail, so it's never gonna come back to this shop. Oh
Oh
my
my
giddy
god.
god. Ew. Ladies.
Me when I ride a cute little llama.
Me when I'm getting my gains up.
Me when I'm hitting a jig.
Me when I give you 3 out of 10 for that jig.
Me when I'm in a mood.
Me when I'm also in the mood.
Creative.
Ooh,
That was
75 meters. I don't know what the fuck is
That was
happening now. Me when... God damn, that sucked.
You should let me go. You should.
Dude! It keeps doing that.
Stop.
Oh my god! I did it!
Oh my giddy god.
Just pickaxe like a wall or something. Oh. Why did it kill you? It's supposed to knock you out.
No.
I can pick all these up. Ow!
You good?
Oh.
Can I hear? Oh.
But I have a gift for you. I have a gift for you. There you go.
Hey you, come over here.
Oh my god, it's lagging my game. Wait. wait.
What's this?
No!
Hey little boy.
Oh, wow, a bird.
What's up?
What's up?
Guys, I went bird watching today. Give me one good reason I shouldn't kill this thing.
A gift?
I think we should have a bird fight.
You should. Hear that.
Sorry about that.
Oh, yeah, that's all mine.
Oh no, you are not getting away like that. Wait, Beanie, do you need a chug splash?
Yeah.
I got that kill, it's all
Fuck
mine.
is the bird? Yeah, that's your 1 kill out of my 5.
Shut up. Oh yeah, because you've actually been doing things. I've been doing things. They're not productive, but they're things.
Yeah, I'm things. Oh my god, Deku Smash.
That goose smash.
Are you going to buy it?
Absolutely.
Oh my giddy god.
Okay, I got. Wait, there's more.
Oh my god, you're stupid. Why did you buy that many?
Come get one. I really hope they don't nerf it and ruin it. May I come in?
No! Get out!
Oh no, wait.
That is not very nice!
Do it. You won't. I was right.
Oh, I'm going for that look right over there. It must have the bird in it. It does! Just like burn yourself.
I'm scared.
Oh my god, I can't pick you up.
Beanie, please be careful with me. I'm just a miney.
Oops. Wait, I got this. Let me drop it on them. Delivery! Oh, wait, that didn't kill him.
Deliver me, last teammate. They're trying to shoot you out of the sky, bro. These
Delivery.
ops want you gone so bad. Oh my god, little girl
He's running
really
away.
thinks.
What? 110? It didn't kill you? Bye bye, motherfucker. Oh, I lost underwater. Okay.
Yeah, my waypoint was a little off.
I have to go check for players. Let's see. Oh wait, there actually is players over there. Oh wait, it's not players.
I will take your med mist, but I'll take your car.
Wait, I can save my men miss from you.
I'm not trying to take your med mist.
Whoa, I got my men miss back to me.
It's okay. I'll go scope out the area.
Oh yeah, go for them. Oh wait, I'm gonna help you. I'm gonna help you with my bird. Take his teammate. No way.
Oh, let's go. Let's go. W
Oh.
victory royale.
I can't turn. I also can't
It was-
emote. It's just silent. What the fuck? This is stupid.
Meanie, why do you and me have crowns?
Literally last game.
Oh yeah. Hey Beanie, let me come visit you. Hey Beanie, look outside of where you are.
Oh, no, no.
Beanie, if you give me the classic Spider-Man skin, I'll give you the bird.
Fuck you mean classic Spider-Man skin? Bro thinks I'm gonna donate him money. Kill yourself.
Beanie, I will literally give you anything if you give me that skin.
I don't know what skin you're talking about.
The classic Spider-Man skin! The one that looks like Spider-Man from the comics! From the movies!
I don't read the comics.
You don't need to read the comics. If you've seen an image of Spider-Man, you know what he looks like!
I've never seen Spider-Man in my life.
Then what skin do you have? What skin are you using literally right now?
I'm using Arachnid Boy.
Arachnid boy. It's not even Spider-Man at this point.
I'm using Bug Fellow.
Bugs fellow. You think birds can open doors? Oh my god, I can't
Oh my
actually.
God.
What the heck? Wait, look behind you, look behind you, look behind you. Look at me, look at me, look at me. That's the blink animation.
The animation is so goofy.
Wait, guys, there's
It's
someone
always-
here. I gotta scan them with the bird so we can find them. Let me finish him,
Oh,
Wait, wait,
oh,
wait,
yes, yes.
Oh my
Oh, he
lord.
left! Oof. Just knock someone, I'm gonna finish them. You know how I'm gonna do it. What the fuck is this?
Yeah,
You guys
that.
made enemies with an AI? I'm taking Nick to safety.
Whoa! No! My god, wait, was that Beanie that killed me or was it someone else?
Oh yeah, that was someone else.
I killed the pedophile.
What?
Oh my god, it's the creator for Rick and Morty.
I came back to get my phone. What are you guys saying?